everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So we were doing solution of chapter number 5, seed and seed. So it is 3 times seeds, and in the first part of the video we completed question number 5. We completed till question number 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. And now in this video we are going to see a solution from question number 6. Answer the following questions. So let's begin. Number 1. How are lentils sprouted? Answer. Lentils are soaked in water overnight. In the morning, the water is drained off and the seeds are tied up in a wet cloth and hung on a nail or hook. Then after a day or two, the lentils sprout. Number 2. How are seeds spread by wind? Explain with an example. Answer. Seeds of many plants are very light and have thin thread-like structures. Such seeds are carried by swift winds and spread far and wide. Thus, wind helps in dispersal of seeds. For example, seeds of milkweed, akdo, Indian beech, kanji and cotton tree shimlo. Next, question number 3. Why do plants grow in all places during monsoon, rainy season? Answer. Seeds are spread due to various factors. Due to this, various types of seeds are lying on the ground at many places. When it rains during the monsoon, these seeds get enough water to sprout and start growing. This is why plants grow in all places during monsoon or rainy season. Next, question number 4. After sowing seeds, if the soil becomes waterlogged, too much water, then why does the seed not sprout? Answer. It is necessary for seeds to get sufficient water in order to sprout. Along with water, it is equally necessary that the seeds get air and sunlight. If the soil becomes waterlogged after seeds are sown, then the seeds get neither air nor heat. As a result, the seeds do not sprout if the soil in which they are sown is waterlogged. Next, question number 5. Whole tuver can sprout but tuver dal cannot. Why so? Answer. Whole tuver is the dormant state of the seed. It sprouts as soon as it gets water. While tuvar dal is not natural seed, it is split into two cotyledons by removing its covering. This is why tuvar dal loses its ability to sprout. Next, number 6. What would happen if seeds did not spread and remained at one place only? Answer. If seeds did not spread and remained at only one place, then the seeds of one tree would fall under it. The plants that would grow from such seed would not get enough sunlight, water or air, so they would not grow well. Moreover, different types of vegetation would not be seen, found or available anywhere else on the earth. Next, question number 7. Explain with examples any two factors that play a role in dispersal of seeds. Answer. The factors that play a role in dispersal of seeds are wind, water, birds and animals. Now we have to explain two factors. So I have taken wind and water. So number 1, wind. Seeds that are light in weight are carried by wind from one place to another and get dispersed. For example, seeds of milkweed, akdo, Indian beech, kanji, cotton tree, shimlo, saragwo, which means drumsticks, etc. Number 2. Water. Seeds that are light and can float on water are pulled along by streams, rivers, etc. and taken to far off places. For example, coconut, lotus, sweet basil, takmaria, etc. Next, question number 8. State the advantages of seed dispersal, spreading of seeds. Answer. When seeds of a vegetation spread far and wide, the area around that vegetation is not clogged with the same type of plants. Point number 2. Plants grow in different places due to seed dispersal. So, the competition to gain sufficient amount of water, nutrients from soil and sunlight reduces and they grow well. Point number 3. One type of vegetation get a chance to spread and grow in various places due to seed dispersal. Thus, the area of the particular vegetation type increases. Next, question number 7. Answer as asked. So, number 1 is write the names of the seeds of the tree given below. So, we are given name of the trees and we have to name the seed of that particular tree. So, number 1 is neem. So, neem seeds are called neem seed or limbodi. Number 2, tamarind. Tamarind seed or kachuka. Next, jujube. Jujube seed, stone or thadio. Next, number 4, mango. Mango seed, gotlo or gotli. Next, number 5, banyan. Banyan seed, which is also called teta. Next, number 2, state the color and the texture, smooth or rough, of the following seeds. Now we are given with the names of the seeds. We have to identify the color and texture of that particular seed. Texture means whether the seed is smooth or rough. So, number 1 is green gram. It is green in color and smooth in texture. Number 2, gram. It is brown in color and rough in texture. Number 3, pea. It is light green in color and smooth in texture. Number 4, mango seed. It is whitish in color and rough in texture. Next is number 5, maize. It is yellow in color and smooth in texture. Next, wheat. It is light brown in color and smooth in texture. Next, number 7, watermelon seed. It is black in color and smooth in texture. Next, neem seed. It is yellowish green and rough in texture. Next, number 3, write 2 names of each. Number 1, seeds that are used as spices in the kitchen. Answer is black pepper and cumin. Number 2, seeds of vegetables. Answer lady's finger and tomato. Number 3, seeds of fruits. Answer apple, oranges. Number 4, light seeds. Check by blowing on them. Cumin and ajwain. Next, number 5, flat seeds. Answer sesame and watermelon. Next, question number 8, classify as required. Number 1, classify the following seeds. Classify the following seeds into food grains, lentils and oil seeds. So, the examples are given: green gram, bajra, gram, maize, sesame, flat beans, wheat, castor seed, murt, jowar, mustard and bunti. So, food grains are bajra, maize, wheat, jowar, bunti. Lentils, green gram, flat beans, murt, oil seeds, sesame, castor seed, mustard. Then number 2, classify the following seeds into those spread by water or by wind or by animals and birds. So seeds are milkweed, coconut, guava, cotton tree, alfalfa grass seed, cockleburr, Indian beech, great burdock, sweet basil, jivanti, prickly shaft, flower, which means andhedi, then banyan tree. So first seeds spread by water are coconut, alfalfa grass seed and sweet basil. Then seeds spread by wind: milkweed, coconut tree, Indian beech, jivanti. Seeds spread by animals and birds: guava, cockleburr, great burdock, prickly shaft flower and banyan tree. Next, classify the following seeds into smooth and rough seeds. So seeds are green gram, pea, cumin, rajma, anise seeds, maize, wheat, bitter gourd, cotton, mustard, neem, lady's finger, mango, papaya, watermelon. So first, smooth seeds: green gram, pea, rajma, kidney beans, watermelon, maize, wheat, mustard, lady's finger. Then rough seeds: gram, cumin, aniseed, bitter gourd, cotton, neem, mango, papaya. Next we have activities. So number 1, draw the picture of a sprouted gram chanas. So this is how a sprouted chana or gram looks. Then number 2, what would happen if plant could walk? Draw a picture. So here is a picture of walking plant, and if plant could walk, then the plant would produce nothing like for eating, shelter and a major thing, oxygen. It is shelter is SHELTER, okay, spelling of shelter. Then number 3, many seeds cannot fly in air. Such seeds get stuck in the fur of animals and on your clothes. Collect them and paste seeds on clothes to make a picture. So this is how a picture of seeds look that stick on clothes. Then we have HOTS questions. So choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter or alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1, which is the smallest of the following seeds? Answer is C, mustard. Number 2, which seeds are spread by animals? Answer is D, prickly shaft flower. Number 3, which seeds are not spread by water? Answer is B, cockleburr. Number 4, which type of soil is considered favorable for seeds to grow? Answer is C, soft soil. So here we complete our chapter number 5, seed. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.